Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 4 to 10, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, let's see, Gemini. What's the energy for you? August 4 to 10. Gemini. August 4 to 10. What is the energy? Weekly reading. August 4 to 10. Uy! Wow, victory! Meron kayong celebration of an achievement. Meron kayong iba nanalo, no? Kung meron kayong sinalihang mga laro, games, o kaya contest, ayan, kayo ay nanalo. Or you're feeling victorious because may mga sinet ka na goals na finally ay nangyayari na, no? Na-experience mo na, na-achieve mo na. So you're feeling good and great. Kumbaga pinaghirapan mo rin naman talaga to. Hindi to yung basta-basta lang na, na success. Kaya ramdam na ramdam mo yung iyong victory. We also have sleeping man unconscious. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring ngayong week na to, merong kayong mga pagtutuunan ng pansin regarding sa pagtulog ninyo. Maaring yung iba sa inyo ay merong insomnia or may difficulties in sleeping, or kumbaga hindi ganun kaayos, no? Hindi ganun ka-stable yung sleeping ninyo. So you are going to be more conscious of your sleeping habits. Oo. Yung iba naman, this is about spiritual, sa spiritual side naman, maaring meron kang mga gigisingin sa iyong sarili, mga bagay na iniiwasan mong harapin, tanggapin, pag-usapan. Ayan, so ngayong week na to, you are finally waking up from sleeping, or parang from the things na sinusubukan mong iwasan, or hindi, kumbaga hindi mo siya kino-confront sa sarili mo. You also have an owl, which is about seeking. Ayan. The seeking is about learning. Mas gusto mong matutunan, matuklasan pa yung iyong sarili. The owl is also about wisdom. So, maaaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong gustong pag-aralan, meron kayong mga gusto pang i-research, na very much interested kayo. Lalo na kung nagkakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening, marami kang mga tanong, mga bagay na dati mong pinaniniwalaan ay unti-unting nag-iiba dahil nagkakaroon ka na ng mas malawak na pananaw, kaalaman. So, mas nagiging excited ka na mag-aral pa or mag-research. Oo. So, this can also mean a start of your spiritual journey. Ayan. So, let's see what is your overall energy. Ano yung overall energy ng mga Gemini for this week? The Hermit. O, diba? This makes sense kasi the Hermit is about isolation, um, self-realization, maaring nagkakaroon ka talaga ng self-reflection. May mga inaalam ka tungkol sa sarili mo, tungkol sa mga belief system mo. Yung iba, meron kayong kailangan pagdesisyonan, kaya ngayong week na to is pinagninilay-nilayan nyo talaga kung ano yung mga actions na dapat nyong gawin. Yung iba, umiiwas kayo sa mga tao kasi maaring mas kailangan nyo ngayon ng katahimikan ng isip, ayaw nyo na ma-impluwensyahan kayo ng iba, yung inyong desisyon. Some of you are feeling sad, no? Maaring malungkot kayo dahil kasi naman kapag nagkakaroon ka ng spiritual awakening, talagang nakakalungkot kasi you will lose friends, even family members. But when I say lose, yung parang yung connection mo sa kanila. Kasi pwedeng hindi sila nag-align sa paniniwala mo ngayon. What is your challenge? The Queen of Pentacles. So, maaring maging challenge sa'yo ang financial stability. Maaring ngayong week na to, marami kang kailangang bayaran, marami kang kailangang pagkagastusan. So make sure na iti-check mo kung ano na ang estado ng iyong financial situation, ng income mo, kung nababalance mo ba yan, yung income versus yung expenses mo, yung pumapasok, tsaka yung lumalabas, no? So, maari ring yung resources mo, manage your resources, baka meron kang mga resources dyan na nasasayang. For example, tubig, kuryente, di ba? And then, your opportunity is, you have the opportunity for abundance. So, kung meron mang challenging situation financially, meron ka namang opportunity na mas mapalago pa yung income mo, mas mapalago pa yung resources mo, and you also have the opportunity to take care of yourself. Maaring part yan ng spiritual journey ninyo, no? Na hindi lang sa panlabas na anyo natin, inaalagaan yung sarili natin, but also from within, which is our spirit, diba? So, yung iba, may opportunity rin kayo na mas maging productive, mas marami kayong magagawa, very flexible, adaptable, and yung iba naman, para sa ano lang to, specific na tao, no? Pwedeng hindi lahat, no, magre-resonate, but there is an opportunity for a new uh, a new baby, no, or pregnancy for some of you. Yung iba naman, an opportunity to start something new, something creative. Pwedeng may creative project ka or creative job. And I also see you na mas magiging very attractive. Let's see what else. Your blessing. You have the King of Swords. You will be blessed with wisdom, knowledge. Yung mga natututunan mo, yung mga na-realize mo, napag-aralan mo, lessons na natutunan mo sa iyong mga experiences, yan yung blessing sa'yo. Kasi mas mature ka na ngayon, mas wiser, no? You are wiser than ever, and that is going to be your blessing, na kung saan, ano man yung mga decision making na kailangan mong gawin, you will choose the best possible decision. Tingnan natin yung money, career, finances for Gemini. Wow, 10 of Pentacles. Di ba? Ang daming kaperahan, umaapaw. So, sa money, career, finances ninyo, although it's challenging, but like what I mentioned kanina, may opportunity ka na mas mag-grow pa yung career, business, or finances mo. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong marireceive na mana o kaya financial help, assistance from your family. You have the 8 of Wands, which is pagiging busy sa trabaho. You will be going to and from, no? Kumbaga, busy ka sa pagta-travel or marami kang kailangang asikasuhin. Pero kahit na ganon, marami namang blessings of money para sa'yo and for your resources. And then for your love life, you have the King of Pentacles and the Fool. Okay, some of you maaring may bagong experience sa relationship. If you are in a relationship right now and you are sexually active, I'm seeing a baby coming in sa inyo. Okay? Hindi man ngayong week na to, syempre, but there can be a pregnancy very soon. But if you are single, some of you, you are focused on your freedom. Maaring mas gusto mo ngayon na ma-achieve yung mga goals mo para sa iyong sarili, sa iyong career, kaperahan. No? Yung iba, lalo na kung single kayo, wala muna kayong pakialam sa relationship. You are enjoying your life muna. Unsuccessful outcome to a problem. So, maaring meron kang kailangang ayusin na problema na akala mo okay na, pero meron ka pa palang kailangang i-polish doon sa naging solution mo. Warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. So, what I'm seeing here is, yun nga, maaring meron kang, parang, alam mo yung, kumbaga sa binan-aid lang, no? Na meron problema, may solusyon, tapos yung solusyon is minadali. So, maaring maging problema yan in the future kasi hindi naman talaga nasolusyonan yung pinakaugat ng problema. Depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. Nako. So, ayun nga, maaring maging maingat pa rin sa mga taong pakikisalamuhaan ninyo, protect your energies. And alam niyo, kung alam niyo sa sarili niyo that you are safe and protected, hindi niyo naman kailangang i-overthink kung merong tao na against sa inyo. Just protect your energies. Dissatisfaction with life. So, yung iba sa inyo, you don't feel like parang enough, no? Yung iba sa inyo, feeling nyo may kulang. So, ayan yung sa tingin ko na hinahanap nyo ngayon. Kasi yung iba, kahit na, let's say, maganda yung estado ng career, ng business, ng finances, parang may kulang pa rin. So, I think that's part of your spiritual journey. Speak up. If you avoid conflict to keep the peace, you start a war inside yourself. Ayan, may mga bagay na hindi mo kailangan sarilinin, kailangan mong sabihin, i-communicate para mapag-usapan, kaysa kikimkimin mo lang kasi anytime bigla yung sasabog at pwede mag-create ng conflict. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.